Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by roasting semiya to build nutty depth. This prevents sogginess later. While semiya cools, make caramel. Combine sugar and water, let it reach deep amber so you get that signature color and flavor. Swirl, don't stir once bubbling starts. Once done, immediately add warm milk to stop cooking and dissolve caramel. Make sure to use warm milk to avoid seizing. You're now set to combine textures and sweet base in the next step. You add the roasted semiya into the caramel milk mixture and reduce heat so the strands absorb liquid evenly. This slow simmer prevents graininess and keeps semiya distinct. Stir frequently, every minute or two, to stop sticking and to distribute caramel flavor. Once semiya softens, fold in condensed milk for creaminess and taste. It sweetens and thickens without long boiling. Then add cardamom for aroma and ghee for silkiness, and toast nuts separately so they stay crisp when folded in at the end. You bring the payasam to your preferred consistency, remembering it will thicken as it cools, so stop a little looser than you want. Once off heat, let it rest 5 minutes to let flavors meld, then finish with toasted nuts and a small drizzle of ghee for shine. If the texture becomes grainy, make one quick rescue. Heat a small amount of hot milk, whisk it vigorously off the heat into the payasam to smooth the mixture. This restores creaminess without overcooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.